Welcome sa podcast ng mga walang jowa. Wow. Grabe ka tinuod. Wala dyan tinuod. So actually, let's start guys. Uy! Actually, this is really a podcast of Love in a Cornhusk. And if you know the story, then you'll know what I mean. And if you don't, then you have to read. Pero makasabot ka na ako. So, love in a cornhusk is a definition. Like, dili siya yung mga definition ba? Maigo siya sa Mark certain quote. Wow, certain. Nga, right person, wrong vibe. Okay. So, maigo siya anang ako ante. We're gonna talk about mga love, acceptance, and letting go of the past. Wait, grabe na lang man. So that's how the story Love in a Cornhusk revolves. Dili mo siya ingon nga na-revolve siya na theme, but you know what I mean. So Love in a Cornhusk by Aida Rivera Ford. Let's tell us about love. So, then, grabe, if nakabasa mo sa story kay grabe Jude, even though years have passed, they still love each other. But I think that was really true love, no? If like, pila na ka-years ang ilabay kay, you still love each other, but then some kanya mag-end up together, happily ever after, but there is really some true love nga didn't end up happily. Why? Like what I said nga, like sa mga quote-quote good na lang. True, like, right person, wrong time, right time, wrong person. May nga na ba? Pero how will you know if it is really the right person? How will you know? So, for me, you will say na you will found the one. That certain person to you, if kanang wala kay reason kung anong important ang person para nimo, na you love that person. Like, example mo sila nga, why him? Why her? Naman ako nga, I don't know, basta love lang dyan ako siya, wala akong kabaw, why? But, I love him, I love her. Diba mga nga na pero some love story lagi talaga na didn't end up happily ever after. Oh, lagi balik-balik ko tayo. Let's just say, Love in a Cornhusk. Na you are married but not sa guy who you really love. Sakit na siya guys, sakit. Then, ikaw nga na 50-50 sa imong decision because naglibog ka na if you will accept his love again or continue your present life. What will you do, man? Kasi if ako na, for me, as much as I wanted to go back where things were, we can't. Really can't, guys. You really can't, Jude. So all we need to do is accept reality na this is my life and that's his, that's hers. I may be part of his planned future, but he is no longer part of mine. Kaya naan naman ko family, diba? Example na ha. So, agay June. So, letting go of the past is not easy. Dili June siya sa'yo. It's really, really not easy. Labaw ng you know to yourself na you're really still there, na naapa ka diha. Na-stuck pa ka sa past, hindi pa kakakuan. So, hindi na siya easy. All we need to do, we need to keep moving forward. We need to move on. Accept everything that is happening. It hurts. Yeah, we know it hurts, but just have to accept. Move on tayo, guys. Move on. Yes, so